Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today is paano lumagim sa Biblia. And nasa special series puro tayo from 8 of 10. And may concept po ito na Davidic Covenant. It is God's unconditional promise to King David found primarily in 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 8 to 16, where God guarantees that David's line will endure forever and that his descendant will establish an everlasting kingdom. And makita po natin ito sa 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 8 to 16. And of dawn ever since the time appointed leaders over my people Israel. I will also give millers of all your enemies. The Lord declares that you, the Lord himself, establish a house for you when your days are over and you rest to your answers. I, the Lord declares that you and the Lord himself establish a house for you when your days are over and you rest to your answers. I will raise up to your offspring to succeed you, your own flesh and blood, and I will establish his kingdom. He is the one who will build a house for my name, and I will establish the throne of his kingdom forever. Ngayon naman po, share po yung mga natutunan ka sa naging topic po natin sa today. So, teaching po tayo. The Davidic Covenant. First teaching, David's son will be the builder of the temple. So, yung anak po ni David ay yung siyang magsisimula sa pag-build ng isang templo or isang simbahan ng Panginoon. Sa second teaching naman, David's son will rule the nation with the scepter. So, pamumunuan daw ng anak ni David ang buong nation sa pamamagitan ng paggabay sa kanya ng Panginoon. Third teaching, David's son will rule as the eternal king. So, yung mga hari po sa buong mundo ay siya yung mamumuno sa lahat ng yun, sa lahat ng mga hari na yun. Ngayon naman po sa application. First application, shine by living up the line of Christ in us. So, hayaan natin na palagi na yung Panginoon na yung siyang magiging sentro ng buhay natin at gagabay sa buhay natin. Second application, seek Christ's approval in all your decision. Sa lahat ng ginagawa nating bagay, hingin natin yung patnubay ng Panginoon na yun. Third application, share Christ's reign with those around us. Lagi natin i-share yung mga natutunan natin sa Panginoon, yung mga ibinibigay niya sa ating kaalaman. Sa discussion naman, how can we seek Christ's approval in our daily decision? Sa pamamagitan po natin pagdarasal, dahil sa pagtutoy tayo nagdarasal, ma-approve natin yung magandang desisyon sa buhay natin. Ayun naman po for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.